What's going on, good people? It's Terrence here with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, today we're going to get into a classical French dessert. A lot of us love Creme Brûlée, the ramekins. We're going to put a little twist on it, a little southern appeal to it. We're going to do an Uncle Nearest Creme Brûlée, alright? Let's get into it. Alright, so next, in this bowl here, I got 5 egg yolks. Alright, I got a cup of white granulated sugar. I got my vanilla bean paste, my bourbon vanilla bean paste. What I did was, I incorporated in 2 cups of heavy cream, I incorporated a teaspoon of that bourbon vanilla bean paste, and I heated that up on the stove. So I've let that cool down for about 15 minutes. And then of course I got my Uncle Nearest over here, okay? So first things first, listen, we have our egg yolks. What I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna put maybe a little bit more, a pinch of salt. I got my sugar. And what I'm gonna do is, first thing first, I'm gonna take this mixture and I'm gonna mix that up really good. Get nice bright yellow. Incorporate that sugar really well. You see that? Nice. All right, now this step right here, we wanna stir this. We don't want to turn this into scrambled eggs, so I'm gonna slowly start mixing in that warm, heavy cream and vanilla. It would smell so good. This is also too how you would essentially make what we consider to be an ice cream base. Just FYI. Uh-oh, I got some on the counter. Y'all see that? So good. Ooh, yeah. So that's incorporated nice. All right, so now, just to be on the safe side, just to make sure that we don't have any little egg particles or anything that clumped up. If you're using an actual vanilla bean, you can just pour it in here, because I want to strain this so it can catch all of those impurities. All right. There we go. It's a very easy dessert to make, and you can do a whole lot of variation to this. I've done a sweet potato creme brulee, all types. Last but not least, 1/4 cup of that Uncle Nearest. Right in there, mix that up, and there we go. Man, if you can smell this, it smells like eggnog. It smells really good. All right, so look, I got my 4-ounce ramekins. I got about 4 of them here. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna pour this mixture. Make sure we try to make that even if we can. That's pretty close. That's pretty close. All right, so now we got all that in there. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna bake this at 325 for 40 to 45 minutes, or until the custard set, but still slightly jiggly in the center. All right. So let's go ahead, let's do that now. And then when we come back, we'll see what we got, and then we're gonna finish it off, all right? All right, good people, so look. That Uncle Nearest Creme Brulee is set nicely. I got some white granulated sugar. So let's see here. We're gonna I'm just gonna put a little bit of that, 1 to 2 tablespoons all the way around that. Just make sure it's covered well, so we can torch that, burn that, all right? We got that trusty torch. Yeah, and we're gonna caramelize that sugar. I'll show you what it looked like here in a second. Oh yeah. Ain't nothing like burning sugar. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, let's see. Can you see that down there? So yeah, so look, it created a nice little caramelized crust on the top. Let that set for a second. It's a little darker back there, but it's still nice golden brown. It's not burnt. That's nice. Now we gotta try it. Let's see what we're working with here. You hear that? Yeah. Got that little shell on there. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Let's see. Oh man, that was amazing. Man, you could taste that Uncle Nearest, that custard, perfect. Oh man, woo, that's good. Listen, if you guys make this, please let me know what you think. Let's tag Uncle Nearest too. One of my favorite. That's really amazing. All right. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget again, like and subscribe our channel. All right. And pass it on.